Hi everyone, welcome to Allu Srinivas Maths class. Now we will discuss another concept in compound angles. They have given two functions tan A equal to 5 by 6 and tan B equal to 1 by 11. First you have to write a given function. In the given problem, there is only tan functions. They proved the value is a plus b equal to pi by 4. For that, we have to tan of a plus b equal to tan of a plus a tan of 45 degrees. So now we use the formula tan of a plus b formula. We know tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Given values, substitute in this formula, then we get required value. Tan a is a 5 by 6, tan of a plus b equal to 5 by 6 plus 1 by 11 divided by 1 minus 5 by 6 into 1 by 11. LCM of two fractions in numerator 66 5 into 11 55 plus 6 by product of two fractions 5 by 66 and simplify numerator 61 by 66 and LCM of 1 minus 5 by 66 minus 5 by 66 and then simplify 66 cancel in numerator and denominator 61 by 61 cancel and then finally we get 1 and write tan of a plus b equal to 1 can be written as tan 45 degrees. In both sides tan functions cancelled and remaining is a plus b equal to 5 by 4. This is the required value. Now you take another problem in this concept tan theta equal to root 3 and tan pi equal to 2 minus root 3. First you have to write the given function. In the given problem there is only tan function. They proved the value is theta minus pi equal to pi by 4. For that we have to write the formula prove that tan of theta minus pi. We know that we use the formula tan of a minus b. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. But they have proved, they have given the angles is a theta and pi. A and b replaced by theta and pi. A and b replaced by theta and pi. We write the formula tan of theta minus pi equal to tan theta minus tan pi by 1 plus tan theta tan pi. Given value substitute in this formula root 3 minus of 2 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3 of 2 minus root 3 and then simplify root 3 minus multiply by minus 2 minus of minus plus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3 into 2 root 3 plus into minus root 3 whole square, that is 3 and then simplify root 3 plus root 3 is a 2 root 3 minus 2 and 1 minus 3 is a 2 root 3 minus 2. The numerator and denominator is equal, then cancelled and then 1 can be written as in tan functions tan pi by 4 that and tan 45 degrees and both sides tan function is a cancelled and the remaining value is theta minus pi equal to 45 degrees. This is the required value. We take another problem in this concept. Given value is sin A equal to 3 by 5 and cos B equal to 5 by 13. Then find sin of A plus B and cos of A minus B. First we have to find cos A using sin A value and then find sin sin b using cos b value. For finding sin of a plus b and cos of a minus b, first we have to find cos a. First we write the sin a equal to 3 by 5, that is the opposite side by hypotenuse. Now we find the adjacent side by using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to adjacent square plus hypo square. Adjacent side is 4. And then write the cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is a 4 and hypotenuse is a 5. This is the cos A value. Next we have to find sin B using cos B. Cos B equal to 5 by 13, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. Adjacent side is a 5 and hypotenuse is a 13 and opposite side is a 12. Then sin B equal to, from Pythagoras theorem, sin B equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is a 12 and hypotenuse is 30. Next we have to find the sin A plus B and cos A minus B. The formula of sin of A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Substitute the known values. Sin A cos B, cos A sin B. Sin A is 3 by 5, cos B is 5 by 13, cos A is 4 by 5 and sin B is 12 by 13. And multiply the two fractions, and two fractions LCM is 65, 3 5 is 20, 4 12 is 48, totally 63 by 65. That is the value of sin of A plus B. Next we have to find the cos of A minus B. The formula of cos of A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Known value substitute in this formula. Cos A is a 4 by 5 and cos B is 5 by 13 plus sin A is 3 by 5 and sin B is 12 by 13. And then LCM is 5 13s 65. First one is 4 5s 20, 3 12s are 36. Totally 56. The value of cos of A minus B. Thank you.